How to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can check who unfollowed you on Instagram. So the process was same for Android, iPhone and Samsung. So for that we will simply go to Instagram app in our mobile phone. So I will simply go to Instagram app. Once you click on Instagram app, you guys will see search option, home option, plus icon. So simply click on search option. Here we will simply search for that account that you want to check if that followed you or unfollowed you. So for example, I will simply search for account. Once you search for account, you guys will see follow message. If that account is followed you, it will say follow back. Or if you followed, so how you can check it that followed you or not? So for that you will simply go to that person following. Once you go here, you guys will simply search for your username. Once you search for that, if you saw your username, that's mean they followed you. If you didn't find your username, that's mean they didn't follow you. Thanks for watching.